Hey guys, we're on the go again. We're actually on the main street of town. Right behind us back there over to that side is the police station. I never got to show it, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is the main street in town. Now, it used to be quite busy when I was younger. There was grocery stores and drugstores. There's a lot of buildings that are gone now. That used to be PharmaSave, which was a drugstore. And there's a Chinese restaurant over here. And there used to be some buildings here, but now it's a little park. That's our townhouse building. You can make donations and stuff there. Oh, we forgot to bring those sandals to put in the donation bin. Oh well. There's a store where you can buy, that's pretty much the only store you can buy clothing in town over there, the bargain shop. You have to go to the other town that has like Walmart and the mall and everything, like the big mall. So, this here building down here though with the brown roof, the shorter one, that used to be the People store. You used to be able to buy clothes and all kinds of different stuff there, but not anymore. And the building next to it used to be Tim Hortons with like the yellowish brown roof on it. Shoppers Drug Mart used to be here, but there's a new building down there now. Oh, and there's the big chair. The big lawn chair. This over here used to be the Bell building. That there is my church. I'm Anglican, so that's St. Mary's Church. My first marriage, I got married. I know. My first marriage, I got married in that church, but second one, Mike and I just got married by justice of the peace. Right down here, this building here with the white roof, the white top on it, underneath there is the bowling alley. That's the one that used to be Tim Hortons right there. There used to be some buildings in here, but now they're gone. But this is, like I said, the bowling alley's underneath here, and up on top it's just a hall. I don't think it's called Knox Hall anymore, but that's where our flea markets are, in that building. Then this building down here is Schwartz, but there used to be a building on that corner too. It used to be a pizza shop. There's a lot of buildings gone from when I was a kid. And I mean a lot. Because I think where this chip wagon is here too, there used to be a building here, if I'm not mistaken, right on this corner as well. No, the bowling alley's in there. There's the bowling alley. And then this here big building here is Schwartz Furniture. That's where we got our couch from. Up there used to be a dentist office. But he's no longer practicing. I think he's passed. He used to be my dentist. And I babysat for his son. And then down here there was definitely a building on that corner. I think it was another pizza shop. But now it's a little park. Cars are barking, they're beeping at each other. There's Shoppers Drug Mart. It's a bigger store. And then down here we have Lawton's and Needs. And there's a church on the other side of this building here. But there's a whole bunch of buildings missing out of there as well. There's buildings missing everywhere. Lots of fires. Everything burns down. Nobody got hurt though in any of them, thank God. But yeah, this is a nice little park. I did fall pictures in that park one time before. And then here's the church. I forget what this one is. I think this one's St. Paul's, if I'm not mistaken. Or St. Joseph's. Should say on that plaque over there.
Knox.
Oh, this is Knox now? Okay. Okay, and then there.
United Church.
Okay. I thought that one up there. Oh no, that one was St. Mary's. Right. Okay, I apologize. So there was a building here too at one time. And then
Teddy's Fries.
That's another chip wagon there. There's Lawton's, which is a drugstore. I'm going to cross the street here. This guy's going to let us go.
Yeah.
Over here that you're seeing is Needs, which is a convenience store, and A&W used to be in there, but now it's Robin's Donuts. And over here is the Chicken Shack, which is our local place in town for getting chicken. There's another one too called Jay's, but I think the Chicken Shack's better. I don't get it all the time, but it's nice as a treat. And there's an ice cream store in there too. So Mike and I will probably walk down here in the summer with Kaylee. And then we're coming up on Rimrock Brook down here. There has a nice walking trail. I'm sorry if I'm a little bouncy. It's hard to record and watch where I'm walking. But I used to get Christmas trees in there. It's a seafood place, but in the winter they'll sell Christmas trees. There's a flower shop over here. Tom's Flowers.
Yeah, it's for sale.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess they're closing that place down. Oh, I can smell the chicken from the Chicken Shack. It smells good.
Maybe I can get enough money in. So I got flowers.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay, that guy's going on the bike. Yeah, here's Rimrock Brook. Nothing's in bloom yet, as you can see. Well, it might have little tiny buds on the trees, but
It's still got that blocked off.
yeah, there's always damage to the bridge, and they're blocking it off so nobody will fall and get hurt. But we walked around here a few times.
Yeah, you can walk around with that bridge.
It's pretty. It's a nice walk. It's pretty in the fall time. And then over there's the fish plant in the harbor where all the boats are. They'll be getting ready to go out lobster fishing within the next few weeks, so they're probably busy down there. And then we're going over here to Foodland. You can't really see it, but I'm going to pay attention to where I'm going because the traffic's getting busier. So I'll show you guys something else later. Okay guys, we just got back from town and I got a small, and I mean small, Temu order. I had a credit, so I used that, and I only paid a couple of bucks, but I only got a few things, and I ended up getting more of a credit back. So I got this tote. I'll open it up and show you guys in a minute. I got this knee pillow for in bed because I have bad knees, so you're supposed to be able to sleep with it between your knees. It should help a little bit. So it's for like back support, hip comfort, better sleep, cushioned knees, cool, dry comfort. And I got a dress. And this was like $12 and it went on sale for $4. So I ended up with another credit. So I'm going to open these out of the packages and show you guys closer. Okay, so here's what the pillow looks like. And it does have a pillowcase over it so I can wash it. So I'll give this a try tonight and see if it helps me with my knees going to sleep. Then this here is just one section, but it would be good, like this would be good for somebody that like works, that needs to take a laptop. It might fit a small laptop. It definitely fit a tablet. And the thing is a chain, but you can go like this and pull it and wear a crossbody if you want. So you can wear it either way. So that's pretty cool. And Pumpkin wants to play with the chain. And then this dress is like it's like a thicker material than cotton. I'll try it on in a bit and show it to you guys. Alright, Mike's going to show you guys the dress. I don't have a bra on, so take that into consideration. It'll look better when I have a bra on. But it has a really high neck on it. I can wear a normal, well, I could probably wear a sports bra with it. But this is what it looks like. And once I get out walking more and take a few pounds off, it will look even better. But it's decent. Oh, it's a nice summer dress. I lost my balance. Alright. And there's Pumpkin. Okay guys, so we're home again. I picked up just some milk. And we picked up like a little Chinese plate for supper. Because I don't feel like cooking. It's just rice and egg roll and some sweet and sour chicken or something. So it's just like a little thing. It was only like $5, so we just grabbed them. What else did we get, Mike, down at the grocery store? We got strawberry danishes. Oh my god, they're so good. I just had one with a cup of tea. Oh, so good. And Mike got like I want to try them on, I might try them for you guys when he opens them, because I've never tried them before. They're the corn twists, but they're salted toffee ones, so I wouldn't mind trying them. We just picked up little things because that's all we had to get. And the milk, oh, and I got chocolate milk because I never got chocolate milk in a while. So Yeah, and that's pretty much it. We didn't really get much of anything else, and it's a bit chilly out there. Like it's saying it's 7 degrees, but the wind is pretty cold coming off the water. So yeah, but now we're in for the day. We're just gonna snuggle in. I'm back in my PJs, and we're just gonna relax for the rest of the day. So I hope you guys had a great weekend. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye, everyone.